But today is not the first time we've been assured of our security. We have raised this in this very house, and that sentiment, the assurance has been made numerous times that we are okay. We can assure you, Madam Speaker, we did not sleep well yesterday night. What happened at the third arm of government, which is in Parliament, is uncalled for, particularly when the head of state was here, who is always accompanied by heavy security, both from the military, national intelligence, as well as the police. But we were attacked here. What about on a day when the president is not here? And from your statement, you have said sharp objects. We've got all the search gadgets. Everyone who comes in here is always searched. How did the sharp objects got into this chamber? And how sure are we that today, as we are sitting here, our vehicles are safe when the military is not there, the heavy police is not there? And Madam Speaker, this is uncalled for. We've got CCTV, the whole of this place. Our position this side is that the business committee, we suspend the House. The business committee should go and watch the CCTV cameras. These people who have done this should be arrested, and we will reconvene for Parliament. Less than that, we are not safe. You can see our people are still not very sure of their security. We had calls yesterday all over. And Madam Speaker, it is not a question of whatever they say, but the point is,
on my right. Order, please.
We had the whole head of state here yesterday. What has happened to yesterday may have happened to those members of Parliament. Tomorrow, it may be another member. And as Parliament, if we cannot take action, as Parliament, if the public cannot see us taking action, then we are inviting trouble for ourselves. It is therefore our position, this side, that the business committee go and watch the CCTV cameras and see those that were involved in this, and official complaint. As we speak right now, no official statement has been made at Lingazi police station. I can confirm that. And without any official complaint at the police, we don't have anything there because there is no complainant. We therefore insist that business committee do go watch the CCTV cameras before even it is tampered. And then we can resume when these have been arrested. Otherwise, not within the Parliament premises, Madam Speaker. That will not be allowed. I submit. Thank you.
Very much, Honourable Member for Cholo Central. Can I have order, Honourable Members? I do understand, and the concern is real, that you would think that this should be the safest place for us as honourable members of Parliament. And indeed, if there are cameras, we are going to go and check them. We might not do it now, but we will have time to check, and that's what the office is doing, to check the cameras and see if where, I don't know where exactly the incident happened, but I'm hoping that No, I know it was inside the chamber, but the exact spot in terms of where the cameras are, I have to get a clearance from the secretary. The House, I saw you rising.
Good morning, Right Honorable Speaker and honorable members. Allow me, honorables, the matter on the floor is a serious matter. Allow me to address the Speaker.
Yes, Leader, proceed. Proceed, Leader. Order, honorable members, please. Leader, please proceed.
The microphone. Thank you. Honorable, I wanted to, first of all, say that the matter being addressed by yourself, commented by Cholo Centro, is a serious matter. And the immunity of members of parliament must not be compromised. And honorable members in this house should be considerate when we are discussing this matter. In terms of your office watching CCTV and give us a footage, that should be done even from yesterday, even today. To give us that footage as to who did that. So in terms of that footage, Right Honorable Speaker, I agree with the Cholo Central. In terms of suspending the House, I may not agree. But in terms of the footage being done, we should see who has done that. Because propaganda is propaganda. And if that was done during the day, and if that was done in the presence of others, the footage, Parliament is covered with cameras up to the top. Let's see who has done that. And an action should be taken for those that have done that. And Madam, that should be done by your team. You have security details here. You can even choose one member from that side, one member from this side. Let them go and watch, get the footage, and then we see who has done that. And the police should act on those people. Otherwise, we don't want anyone coming here and start thinking that some of us who have been in parliament could do such a thing. We don't want that, because propaganda can go in any way. We have been in parliament here, nobody has attacked us in that manner. So we don't want anyone to start twisting these facts when cameras are there. Let us see who has done that. And let us ask the police with those footage to take action over it. Otherwise, we don't want any propaganda and twisting matters affecting parliament. So I plead and I join Cholo Central. Let's do that now. Choose one member from that side, one member from this side. Let them go and watch the footage. And then even if it's two members, let them go watch the footage. When that happens, Business Committee could be the last to see what the members have seen. Business Committee could be the last, because even if Business Committee sees that, it will be making decisions, but the criminal elements are beyond Business Committee.
Thank you, Honorable Leader of the House. Honorable members, Honorable Leader of Opposition, you have the floor.
Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker. I would also like to join in what the Leader of the House has said and Cholo Central by saying that the people who had done this damage were seen moving around looking for my vehicles. Other people outside were seen, they saw them moving around, they were looking for my vehicle to damage it. Thanks it was not around. So they saw their vehicle. So the people outside should also be interviewed. Thank you.
Honorable members, I think the agreement is clear from what the Leader of the House and the Leader of Opposition said and what Cholo Central has said. So my question would be, we're not suspending for Business Committee, but we ask the Leader of Opposition to give us 2 members from his side, and we ask the Leader of the House to give us 2 members from his side who will go at the back room to go and check the video footage. I think that's what we agree. Thank you. And I'm just being reminded that UDF is in the Business Committee as well, so they will also send us a member to accompany those that will go and see the footage, UDF. Thank you. Honorable Member, I hope it's not on the same matter that we've already cleared. Honorable Member for Mulanje Bale. Mulanje Bale, I hope it's not on the same matter. Sorry? A different suggestion from what we've done? On the same issue? Yes, Mulanje Bale.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. Well, you have concluded it this way.
Can we have order? I can't hear the honorable member, please.
Some of us in this house...
Zomba Malosa. Can I have order? We need to hear what the honorable member wants to say.
Some
please.
of us in this house were approached by Parliament security yesterday, and we were asked to hide further from this house, in the toilets. In the process, the same members of Parliament security came to some of us, including me, to tell me that an honorable member of this house is dishing out our number plates outside. I can mention the security member of this house who told me that. I will not mention the honorable member. So I thought, while they are watching that CCTV, we should be given an opportunity to give that information to security agencies of the honorable member of this house who was dishing our number plates. Madam Speaker, my vehicle, the black VX, was stoned not here, out of here. Number plates were given by a member of this house. It was communicated to me by a security person that works here. I would like to register that, and I would like to thank your office for inviting the military to protect us. That was a job well done on your part, Right Honorable Speaker. I wanted to register that. Can you open an office where we can go and register these concerns if you don't want us to register them in this house? Because members of this house were dishing out our number plates to members outside. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for that extra information, honorable member from Mulanje Bale. The leader of UDF.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. The issue on the floor, though not procedural, it is very important. Firstly, I would like to commend the police in Machinga who have arrested the ones that were perpetrating violence in Machinga. They're very competent, the police in Machinga. I would like to also register our concerns about the police in Lilongwe. Up to now, they haven't arrested anybody about who were concerned with the Mbowe issue. Up to now, the police in Lilongwe, they are not competent. Today, we have a station, almost a station here. These things were happening here. No police officer, nobody has been arrested, but these things were happening inside here, but nobody has been arrested or questioned. Madam Speaker, I'm bringing a message from TAs in Zomba, where they are concerned that their daughters, 2 daughters from Zomba, have been attacked. And they're asking, why women? Why? Instead of us promoting women, we are busy attacking women. Madam Speaker, I must bring to your attention that Zomba produced at least 40% women parliamentarians. Out of those 40%, 50% of that have been attacked here. The TAs are not happy. So they've sent me to register their concern through you, who want to ask the government to take this issue seriously, because Zomba is not happy. I submit, Madam Speaker.
Very much. Zomba Ntonya and leader of DPP, honorable member for Nchisi South, and I've seen the Minister of Education. Sorry, maybe let's start with the Minister of Higher Education and then Nchisi. Yes, honorable member, just as I was saying earlier, that this matter, I think we've said, if we can get 2 members from this side, 2 from that side, and UDF, let them go and view on the camera so that we make progress. And then they'll come back with that report. Can I have those names from the leader of opposition and the leader of the House and UDF, please? No, we're not proceeding. We can't continue. If it's on the same matter, we're not proceeding, unless if it's a different matter. But if it's on the same matter, let's proceed procedurally, please. Honorable Leader, you're rising on the same? Okay.
Right, Honorable Speaker, I don't want to make any statement. We can differ here, we can argue here, but this issue of attacking each other cannot be tolerated. That is why I'm agreeing that a footage must be produced. For that reason, I nominate Honorable Kajawa and the Commissioner Zulu to join the team to watch the footage and bring it to your attention, and you should bring that to the attention of the police, and an action must be taken. Thank you.
Thank you. And from DPP? Honorable Whip from DPP.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. From our side, will be represented by Honorable Samir Suleiman and Honorable Victor Musawa. Thank you very much.
DF.
Point. Madam Speaker, I know you have already ruled, and I don't want to seem to. Yeah, people keep quiet, please.
Can you speak up, Honorable? I can't get you. Sorry.
Madam Speaker, I thought, I know a resolution has been passed, but I don't feel happy to just keep quiet. I have to say something. Madam Speaker, anyway, I'm supposed to receive visitors, but because of this security problem, it looks like, I don't know. But please, I've spent so much money for these headmasters to come here. So can they not be stopped by the gate, please? That's one. Two, Madam Speaker, in my tenure in Parliament from 1994, I have never seen something like this. Yes, there were some sort of problems during the late Bimbu's era, but it was never in Parliament. Timamenyedwa ku gate outside. Yeah? Koma inside Parliament, those of you who are with me, it has never happened. But when I see, no, it has never happened, never. Ku gate, someone ku gate. Yeah, koma ku gate is it? But is it in Parliament? Madam Speaker, it's not only the security problem that's going, what happened yesterday, but the behavior.
Members, can I have order? No. He's got the right to rise if he's got something. Honorable member for Blantyre North. Order, please. Order, please, Blantyre North. Order. Honorable member from Kodagota Central, I'll give you space. But let the honorable member.
The behavior and Parliament etiquette. Please let us discipline, or let us, when we bring visitors to this house, let's discipline them and let's tell them how etiquette in Parliament is done. I cannot sit down here, see the poor little girls there, the honorable ladies.
Members, I can't hear the honorable member.
Look how unruly they are. Look at them. Look at this. Very rude people.
Patel, Honorable Commissioner, can you please conclude? I said let's just conclude this matter, please.
Anyway, what is going on in Parliament when we bring our visitors? Maybe some of us, when we bring visitors on that side, let's teach them what they're supposed to do. Even a protocol, when they you stopped us from speaking, should make sure that any visitor that comes here should conform to the parliamentary etiquette. But what's going on here, we have demeaned your office. We have demeaned this house. My youth going out there, of course I'll speak to the leader, but things are going wrong. Can you ask protocol as well? Behavior, yeah, our guests, it's very, very bad. And members should not condone this. Please, maybe this should be the last time. What? What have they done?
Can I have order, honorable members?
What has he done? And I don't know who else. What wrong have they done? Huh? I've seen the Minister of Education. She wants to say,
Member for Mangochi South.
Don't condone this.
Mangochi South.
I hope you're standing to condemn. But if you're standing, would you move for Medesa's means? If I will refuse, you don't want.
Thank you. Make progress. We have agreed that on the government side, Honorable Kajawa, Honorable Zulu, who is also a commissioner, on the DPP side, Honorable Suleiman and Honorable Musowa, but UDF, you've not yet given me a name, UDF.
Madam Speaker, we will nominate Honorable Jolabala and Honorable Gabizia.
But the House, Honorable Leader, Honorable Jolabala is not in the House and we need them to go out now. She's not in the House.
Honorable Ndeja and Honorable Gabizia.
Ndeja. Thank you. Can I ask the honorable members mentioned to go to our backroom staff so they can have a look at the footage? Thank you.